Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you Russian manicure. The way I do it, I'm using soap gel color remover to apply it all over my nails, wait for like 15-20 minutes until it inflates and just easily remove the nail polish, actually the gel polish. I mean, not as easy as you would think. It may take a while before you remove it, but it's worth it. Now I'm going to apply cuticle remover cream and apply all over my nails. Just massage it a little bit before you push it with a tool. You push the cuticles, you remove the dead skin around it, and for that I am actually using cuticle clipper that I got just recently. It's very sharp, it's very tiny, goes very deep inside my cuticle and doesn't hurt a skin that is right next to it, which is not dead yet. So this is very important to have a good cuticle clipper. So I'm just cleaning my nails everywhere around it where I feel that I need it. After that, once it's done, I take a nail file and shape my nails the way I want, and I like to shape them in almond shape to make the tips a little bit how to say, I like to shape them in a very pointed way to make them look longer and to make my fingers look even thinner. So firstly, I apply the pre-base that makes my nails a little bit stickier before I use the base, the actual base, and then I use a machine. For the actual base, I use a machine, like UV machine, for the base already. For the first coat, this the transparent thick gel makes my nails a very thick, and my nail gel color lasts even longer. But I don't like to keep my nails with for a long time, like to have the same gel for a long time. I usually wear it for like 2 weeks max, because I don't like the grown nails. It just doesn't look pretty. But this thick gel makes it very strong, very thick. So if you want to have this effect of acrylic nails, that can also help. And if you want to grow your nails, that can help as well. Also, I am applying this gel around my nail to make them rounder and thicker, like that. After applying the transparent thick gel, which I do apply before any color I'm using, I apply the actual color. Today I'm going to use the glitter gel color, just one layer. I want to make them looking transparent and glowy, sparkly, looking like it's a holiday season, summery, and I feel that it's just my mood right now, so I applied this shimmery color. And don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so for more videos. Last but not least is a top coat. Apply it everywhere, from the tip to the bottom, everywhere. Just apply it to actually block it from not moving, for lasting, to make it look amazing. Thank you for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it.